This is a video on how to replace a bearing on the ERV for the BullDog heat pump. The tools we need are really very simple. It's just a Torx number 20 driver with, I have it on a impact driver, but it doesn't have to be. It can be just handheld one, and we take these three guys. We make sure that this is marked. So I used one of these markers or a black one here to mark where the parts are connecting, because these three pieces come separate. They separate from each other, and we want to make sure that they come back together the same way. So these are machine screws. And they come real easy. And then these are sheet metal again, but they actually go into plastic. You'll see in a minute. Okay, so this part comes off. That's the electronics. We put that aside. Or if we're doing this right on the ERV, that just kind of gets moved along. The wires do not need to be disconnected. The next thing is this piece here, that ring comes off as well. The cover for where the bearing is. This little tool is to remove the C-clip. Or this one may not be called a C-clip, but it's a clip of that kind. That can be a little bit tricky. But here we are, almost. There we go. There is another. So this comes out. Actually, this should have come out earlier. And that just comes up. There is another washer here. And this comes out. There's another washer in here that goes back in here. This can be put away. Now we have this little tool that I made myself to pull the bearing out. And the way we do that is just pops out. And the other bearing can come out. We just give it a good whack with a screwdriver or something, and off it goes. We put the new bearings back in. This way and this way. Okay, and we are in business. This comes back here. Okay, this little clip doesn't even need the pliers for when it's coming back on, because it just slides over. Sure that it's in all the way, and it is. And now I take this back, put put this back in here. This comes here. The alignment of these 3 pins, this is where the power comes to the motor, is important. Okay, hold on a second. No, this has to come. This has to stay here. This is the tricky part, but it's not too difficult. It's just there we go. There we go. That's it. Now we're going to just do these guys, but very lightly. Oh, no, sorry, that was wrong. We finally put this guy back in. And that's it.